What's going on, guys? Maze Runner's back.
Maze Runner's back.
Well, not like back, but like sort of back.
Me and my fellow Maze Runner cast have made a very specific and cool fun page at headcount.org.
That's right. We're all getting together.
We as a cast have come together to work with an organisation called headcount.org.
To make sure that everyone is registered to vote in time for November 3rd.
All you have to do is head to our headcount page via the link that we'll provide. Once you're there, you either register to vote, check your registration status, or request a mail-in ballot.
Do you need some incentive? We got you. You want to hear us read things from a movie you've already seen?
As soon as we hit 3,000 of you guys who come and visit our page.
And take action by clicking on one of those buttons and making sure you're registered to vote, checking your status, or requesting a ballot.
We might do a little table read.
Me and the cast will get together and read select scenes on Zoom.
We're going to do a table read of some of the best scenes from the first movie.
And release it to you all for your viewing pleasure.
Some states, you only have 1 week left to register, so make sure you do it today.
Get out there and register to vote as soon as possible.
Share this, share the link.
Click on our link, go to our page, and take action.
Consider November 3rd the most important day of your life.
Get involved, get as many other people involved as you possibly can, and let's do this thing.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.